I didn't sleep where I am right now last night, but it is 6:30 in the morning. I slept maybe 4 or 5 blocks away from here. Oh, nice to have some coffee this morning. I'm kind of parked here because there's a good Wi-Fi, but there we go. And I only have a little bit of time here this morning before I gotta go to work. I'm here at another one doing more maintenance, but so I gotta climb up into that hatch up there, change filter. This is one of the practice rooms. Gotta change batteries, it's got some alerts. I actually used to come to the studios quite often, you practice yoga, but you know, sit in the sauna sometimes, especially when it's winter time. And that felt amazing. We're going to be in here for a bit today, laundry and whatnot. I've got to go up there and change filters out on that thing, clean it all out, oil the motor, and then there's a filter way up in there that I got to get up into. And then I'll probably just check the dryers out. These things have to get cleaned out, but that's looking good. There's another one up there. Filters, so here's some of the filters. Oh yeah, that one's done. It's a wet day. All right. Got a green roof up here. So I'm just changing filters out on this guy. And then there's one in that thing. These actually look pretty good. I'm gonna leave them be. The system's been off, so I'm gonna leave that the way it is. I'm off to the next studio. That one took a little while, but there was quite a few things to do in there. I didn't film everything, and I'm not sure I'm even gonna add that stuff to the video, but anyway. I'm not even sure I'm making a video out of this stuff, guys. Sorry, I didn't quite catch it. You got something going on with the diesel?
It's not going. Like it was working this morning. I got lots of gas. I checked my fuse box. I checked the fuse for the diesel heater, the second one.
Did you get your other heater working?
No, it's fucking dead too.
Main advantage is going to be in air seats.
Yeah, right. Toilet fixing time. Guys, I've been so busy, it's ridiculous. I'm trying to I got that video out, the bear video. That was good. I was like squeezing that in there. Just trying to keep things kind of going out. But I've been and I'm not looking to take a break. This is the most favorite part of my days is like working on this YouTube stuff. I'm just I've been working a bit, and which is really good. I'm just taking care of a bunch of little loose end stuff, and I got tax season around the corner, and I'm stressed out because my current accountant is really falling through, and it is really disorganized, and I gotta find somebody else, and I'm stressed about it. And then I've got personal stuff, and I got van stuff I gotta do. I've got an alternator that's giving me a little bit of grief, suspension that's giving me grief, rear brakes that need to be doing. But my heater's working, my fridge is working, I'm sleeping good at night. Anyway, I was kind of hoping I would spend some time here in Vancouver and get some van work done, like the interior stuff. And just with everything going on, I'm gonna pause that for the time being and try and catch up on some stuff here on YouTube. And also, I'm gonna meet Jeff here in a sec, because his diesel heater, so his main heater, stopped working in his van a little while ago, and he's trying to get it sorted out with the shop and stuff like that. And it sounds like I'm not exactly sure what's going on. It sounds like it just makes it sound really confusing, but anyway, that's still not fixed. And now his diesel heater has crapped out, and so he called me up to let me know about that. And I'm like, okay, well, so I'm gonna take a look at it right now. He's driving over, so I'm just making a couple sandwiches. It's been go go go. I want to sit down and have a real dinner, but I don't have time for it. And Jeff's in a bit of a pickle because he doesn't know this sort of stuff like I do, and I'll help him out. But I need a break from it all. I need some time just to like chill out and watch Netflix and do nothing, or also get on top of my stuff, which I haven't even shared the half of it. Peanut butter jelly sandwich wrap with some shredded cheese on it. The beard's looking pretty good.
Yeah. That's alright. No big deal. Just, I don't like it when one thing goes after the next. Pisses me off.
I know. A voltmeter. I really recommend.
Well, I try to find one.
You don't need an expensive one. Like, this one was, I don't know. This one I think was about $100.
Yeah.
So it's expensive.
Yeah, I know.
So you don't need to spend that much. But then this is not an expensive one either. Like, you could spend $500 on one of these things.
The things are up there. That little box there.
You see that?
There, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not fucking going. The power ain't going to.
Okay. So.
I hate them clips because there's a lot of hate shit coming out of my mouth because my hands don't work properly to fucking undo these stupid clips.
What clips? These things?
No, the clips, like, see where the wire goes? There's a clip there.
Oh yeah, okay.
I can't unfucking do the clip. I hate it. My hands.
Sometimes you need something more than your hand to do that.
I know.
Well, I'm gonna check them all. 1273, 1273, 1273, 1273. Okay. So you don't have any blown fuses. That all works fine.
Yeah.
You move this around a lot in the van, right?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
I think I know what your problem is then.
Yeah, you thought it was fucking like fell off, eh?
Well, you can see that the wires chafed through there, right?
Okay.
And this one isn't. You got a few connections that are broken on that one.
Yeah. I was wondering about that too. So I don't think that thing's supposed to be moved a lot.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I damaged mine that way, and that's what caused my heater to stop working.
Okay.
I can take this over to my van and work on it in there a little bit. Check it out.
Aw, you son of a bitch.
That's your problem.
Right on.
Jeff moves this thing around his van just because it's easier for him when he's sitting up there, sitting somewhere else, just to control it. But what's happened is the wires in here have undergone so much flexion over the time that it's lost its power. So if you turn it the right way, it gets power back to the controller. I did the very same thing in my van before I actually physically mounted this into a permanent location. So
We'll go that way this time.
that we can fix that. So I'll take the fuse out of there and make this easier for me. I'm gonna disconnect this and take it over to my cozy little van and see if I can make some repairs on the wires. I'm just gonna open this up a little bit. Get a little cross vent going. So I got Jeff's controller here on my little table. And this must be the antenna for the remote. So be careful with that. But I'm gonna have to strip this back carefully. It's really kind of like no fault of Jeff's. It's just, I mean, you should have this thing fixed to the wall instead of moving it around. Because yeah, eventually you're just going to break these wires and then you'll be stranded without heat, and nobody wants that. So I think the best way for me to do this is actually to resolder these connections on the board itself, which I have to be careful of so I don't solder any of the wrong connections. And there we go with a little farting action. Ooh. I feel better because this is something I can sort out right away. So all tinning is just putting a little bit of solder on the tips of these wires right here. That way when you go to solder it on the board, everything just joins together really nice. So I'll do this one at a time. Try it from this side. Alright, I think I got it. So I got an idea that he could do to make this a little bit more friendly for him in the van so he can move it around. And that's mounting this whole thing on a piece of wood that he can move around, and securing this on the wood, but then also building up a little bit of flex in this, because even this over time is going to break the wires in there. But at least if it breaks back here, it's better than it breaking right on the soldering joint.
Hopefully I'll get some heat. I mean, I've got a full tank of gas, so should have heat. So, yeah. Other than that, that's about it. I came in, I have to do okay.
We better test it out, make sure it blows heat and all.
Oh yeah, it'll blow heat.
But wiggling these wires is you're gonna end up with the same problem before.
Yep.
And you can only really solder this connection maybe one more time.
Okay.
The board itself, like, I mean, maybe I don't have the best soldering iron, but you don't want to overheat some of that circuit or it just breaks down, and then you have to get a whole new controller.
Yeah.
But if you were to put this on a board of some type, like a small one, like about this big, and secure this wire to it so it doesn't move around. If it moves down here, it's less of a concern because you can repair the wire down below here. But
it's in here, yes.
It's in there that you don't want it to break. But on a board, you can move this thing around the van a little bit better.
Okay.
You still got to worry about things breaking down in here though, because then it, you know, we can always change this to a different connector.
Yeah.
But
I'll just, Zura. Yeah. I took that off. Yeah.
That's still not the best way to.
Okay, just put it behind the stove there.
Up there?
Just put it back there.
Okay.
And I'm gonna see power.
Alright, I'm gonna back out of here if you don't mind.
Connecting. Okay, there you go.
Alright, I got some of my stuff put away.
On.
Up the spout again. There goes Snowman. We'll fix it? Okay. We just made the snowman and she just jumped on it and smushed it. Put your thumb in the hole. Up here, in the hole. There you go. And you can grip right here. Pinch, pinch, right? Okay. Hi. Was he bugging you? Oh no, he's just being a dog. It's all good.
I'm not going swimming.
Okay. Here, you gotta hold the slide, okay? Hold that good. Oh, here, I'll give you the other side. Hang on. There you go. Put your hand in there. Okay, now you can pull it up. There you go. I'm coming. You got it. There you go. Woohoo! There we go, like that. They're a nice treat to have. They're not that great for you all the time, so you don't want to have very many of them. Special treat. Would you like to have one? Okay. You can open it up and have just one, okay? You a bit warm or are you okay? Okay, just the one, right? I saw you eat it, so let's save the rest for the hot chocolate. Yep. Okay, you can put the marshmallows in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 in that one. Okay, so you need to get the rest of them. Okay, let's stir this one a little bit. Let me stir it, okay? Mix it up really good.
Be careful, Dad.
Be careful. So, cheers. That's very yummy. Mm-hmm.